Hey, what's up guys? It's Austin and I'm here at Co-Create bringing the FirstBuild experience to the East Coast. Let's go check it out. All right, so you might remember me from my time at FirstBuild. I'm an OG FirstBuilder, started out as a community member, and now I'm here on the East Coast setting this place up. Let's take a sneak peek at what we got going on. You can enter our makerspace right off of John Street, or you can come through our Experience Center. This is our makerspace where anyone can come in and work on whatever they want. We got laser cutters, we got hand tools, we got 3D printers, and we got swag. We also have an electronic station behind me. We're still setting it up, but we got components, we got breadboards, we got wires, soldering irons, crimpers, you name it, we got it. So we have laser cutters just like FirstBuild, but we have two lasers, one of them which has fiber, which allows you to cut and engrave thin metals. And we also have a fourth axis attachment for our laser. That'll allow you to chuck in round objects and it'll slowly spin them so you can laser etch around the circumference of a part. It's kind of a big deal. We have a laser scrap bin so you can test out your cuts before you buy material. All this stuff here is free of charge and it's scrap, so use it. And if you don't have materials with you when you walk through the door, we sell materials right here. The cool thing that we have is this desktop shop bot, which allows new people to use CNC without going to the craftsman shop. We have a huge tool wall with tons of tools you can come in and use on your projects. We'll have big work tables right here behind me. You don't have to have any experience, you can come in and work on projects. And we also have 3 Ultimaker 3D printers where you can print anything you want. So with that said, this is our makerspace and we're excited to have you here. But now, let's go check out the craftsman shop. Hey, so we're in the craftsman shop. Unlike out front, this is a controlled access point where you have to get certified before you can use any equipment back here. But the good thing is, once you have access, most things back here are completely free to use and you'll have a badge that you can come and go as you please. So in our wood shop, we have everything. We got a saw stop table saw, 20-inch bandsaw, joiner, planer, miter saw, ShopBot CNC machine, and a wood lathe. Hey, one of the cool things about setting up a new space is getting brand new tools. The CNC machine behind me right here is something that most people will not have access to, in their own garage shop. But here at Co-Create in our craftsman shop, you can run this machine. If you program it, it can cut out everything for you automatically. For those of you who really aren't interested in CNC, we have manual machining equipment like this Bridgeport right here behind me, a brand new Bridgeport. So just like FirstBuild Louisville, we have a water jet CNC machine. Ours is a little bit smaller because of space constraints, but this is also a piece of equipment you can come in, program, and cut out your parts. This thing can cut up to 8 inches thick of solid steel. We also have a 4x8 ShopBot CNC router where you can cut out your parts in wood or plastic. And we feel like this thing's gonna be real popular. All right, so this will be where you can get your makerspace materials such as plywood, hardwood, sheet metal, pipe, tubing, acrylic, foam, whatever you want, we got it. It'll be back here in this corner. And we also have a panel saw here to break down large sheet goods so you can go and work on your project safely. The hot work area is still a work in progress. We're gonna have fabrication tables, welders, belt grinders, oxyacetylene torch, and if I can get the guy behind the camera, even a forge and blacksmithing area. And we even have a cafe called Co-Brew here in the front space at Co-Create. You can stop in, get you a frappe latte and an egg and cheese sandwich on your way to the makerspace. All right, so this is the front space of Co-Create, our Experience Center. This is where you can experience the house of brands. We're gonna host and hold events with all of our different partners in the community here. So this is the main area here at Co-Create. It's really cool, it's really unique. Nothing else like it here on the East Coast. And you can walk right through those front doors, check everything out on your way to the makerspace at FirstBuild. Hey guys, we're so excited to have you here. Thanks for checking out our makerspace, our FirstBuild location here on the East Coast. If you're in the neighborhood, please feel free to stop by and check it out for yourself. As always guys, thanks for watching.